Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make this pop-up card. Smash the like button if you like this card. First, you'll need a poster board and some tissue paper. We're going to go ahead and cut our tissue paper. I have 4 pieces of tissue paper here. And I'm simply cutting the tissue paper down the folds. Now I measure the tissue paper, and if I divide it into 3 parts, each section will be 7 inches. And this is what I'll use. Now I'll place the smaller pieces of tissue paper on top and the larger ones on the bottom so I can see them clearly. I had this heart from a previous project and I tried to use it, but it was way too close to the edges, so I decided to make a slightly smaller one. This one fit perfect, and I went ahead and traced it all around with a red pen. Then I went ahead and cut it out. The next step is to make a line about 1/4 of an inch from the edge. And now it's time to make segments. You want to roughly do about 1 inch apart, so a thumb is about roughly 1 inch. So if you use your thumb as a separator, that will work, and you make a line at about every inch. And now you want to create arches. Now I realize that it's hard to see the red pen, so I'm switching over to a sharper, which it's not what I recommend for you to use, but I'm using it so that you can see it better. So you want to create arches that go all the way to the edge of the paper so that it's even. Now we'll go ahead and take a few sheets at a time and cut the arches out with scissors. You'll need about 15 to 20 sheets. I repeated the process until I got all the sheets cut out the same way. And now it's time to glue them together. You can use the Elmer's glue or the glue stick. I'll be using the Elmer's glue to glue the center of the hearts together, and you just simply want to place the glue straight down the middle. Once it's all glued down, now we'll make lines down the point of the arches. So you'll start at the very first point, and then you'll skip one and make a line at the second one. Then you'll continue doing that for every 2 points. So there will be one point that you skip. That point will be the starting point for the next sheet. And every 2 points you will have, or every 2 arches, you will have a line. And then you'll alternate this. So you'll start with the first one for the 3rd page, and every 2 points you'll create a line, and you'll alternate where that line goes for every page. And you'll repeat this for every page. And now we'll use the glue stick, and we'll use the very corner edge of the glue to apply it on the lines. While the glue dries, we'll create an accent piece for the heart. So I'm just randomly doing undulated lines to create the shape of the heart. This will give us a nice contrast. Now I simply place the red heart inside the white paper, add glue, and press it down. Okay, let's repeat that on the other side. And now it's time to cut our poster board. I simply used a regular printer size sheet paper as my template. I measured out the middle and mine was 5.5 on the top and at the bottom. And then I simply joined the two dots by scoring the card together with the side of my pen. You'll get a really nice straight edge if you leave your ruler as you bend your paper. I decided I needed a little bit more contrast, so I have this black piece of paper laying around and I went ahead and used it. This time I will make a heart, but it will be a straight edge heart. And now it's time to finish the decoration in the front. I found this great Valentine's Day tissue paper at the dollar store, and I decided to use that instead of writing it with my own handwriting because I do not have the best handwriting sometimes. I cut out a shape of a heart from the Valentine's tissue paper and still felt like I needed something more, so I added the black paper, and I think it added just enough contrast, and it matched the inside. And finally, we glue these pieces down and we have our cover. And look at that, guys. And now we have our very own pop-out honeycomb style Valentine's card. Happy Valentine's! If you like this tutorial, give it a like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for allowing me to show you how to make that.